Hello, and first let me say how sorry I am not to be able to be with you today for this important event. World No Tobacco Day, May 31st this year, falls exactly as we are hosting our Board of Trustees and graduating our students. But it is always a key international event and one that is very close to my heart, drawing international attention to the global and regional tobacco epidemic and the risks of preventable death and disease that inevitably follow in its wake. The theme of this year's World Health Organization World No Tobacco Day is tobacco and lung health, drawing attention to the essential role of the lungs in the health and well-being of all people and the harmful effects of tobacco use on the lungs, upper aerodigestive tract, and associated organs. Here in Lebanon, two urgent supplementary themes of World No Tobacco Day have been prioritized: the harm caused by water pipe tobacco smoke and the reinforcement of Tobacco Control Law 174, which was first enacted by Parliament in 2011, but which regrettably has not been fully implemented for the sake of our population's health and the health of future generations. His Excellency the Minister of Health, Jamil Jabba, will be addressing the subject in his speech. Here at AUB, the region's first tobacco-free university, we are committed to doing all in our power to push for the full implementation of Law 174. The yearly impetus of World No Tobacco Day also touches on engaging the public about the dangers of using tobacco, the business practices of tobacco companies, and the not insignificant threats posed by secondhand tobacco smoke. This assembly will look at what AUB, AUBMC, and our WHO-recognized knowledge hub for water pipe smoking are doing to fight the tobacco use epidemic and to support the right to health and healthy living for future generations. It is a sincere pleasure to welcome all of you to this event, even if I cannot be there personally. AUB is proud to be a role model in the essential message of World No Tobacco Day. For our faculty, staff, students, and for all the communities around us to enjoy a tobacco-free life. Thank you for all the work you are doing today and the work you will be doing tomorrow and in the future to ensure better health for our populations. Thank you.